Imagine being able to tap into the mindset of the world's most successful billionaires just by listening to a simple sound. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's precisely what the Billionaire Brainwave program claims to do by stimulating the production of theta brainwaves, the keys to deep relaxation and intuition. But is it all just a tantalizing dream, or can this technology truly transform your life and lead you to monumental success? Today, we will embark on an open and unbiased journey to explore the Billionaire Brainwave program, separating fact from fiction. Welcome to our review of the Billionaire Brainwave, an intriguing program that promises to unlock a state of mind synonymous with abundance and prosperity. Our purpose here is not to sell you an illusion or make empty promises. We will question and investigate to find the truth, whatever it may be. To understand how the Billionaire Brainwave technology works, we must delve into the realm of brain science. Researchers have dedicated their lives to unraveling the complexities of our thoughts and behaviors, and one of the latest breakthroughs lies in brainwaves. Our brain activity produces electrical patterns known as brainwaves, which can be categorized into different types. The program focuses on two specific waves, beta and theta. Beta waves are our everyday waves, active when we're conscious and engaged in problem solving. Unfortunately, they're also linked to our limiting beliefs, the barriers we unconsciously set for ourselves that hinder our path to success. On the other hand, theta waves are the opposite. They arise during deep relaxation and meditation and are associated with improved memory, creativity, and intuition. The scientific backbone for the Billionaire Brainwave technology lies in a groundbreaking NASA study that found theta waves boosted memory by nearly 50. This finding suggests that theta waves could potentially lead to abundance and prosperity. The source of theta waves is a small region in our brain called the hippocampus, crucial for learning and memory. The Billionaire Brainwave technology claims to stimulate the hippocampus through a unique theta-based sound frequency. By consistently listening to this frequency for just 7 minutes a day, the hippocampus is triggered into a highly neuroplastic state, leading to faster growth and development. The program asserts that this can increase the production of theta waves and attune the brain to attracting abundance. The potential benefits of the Billionaire Brainwave technology are undeniably alluring. Let's explore what listening to this audio for 7 minutes daily can bring into your life. The program promises more abundance and ever-growing wealth. By stimulating theta waves, it aims to dissolve the barriers that hinder financial success and create a mindset geared towards attracting wealth. Not only does the technology focus on material abundance, but it also promotes mental and heart peace. Theta waves induce a calming influence, leading to reduced stress and anxiety, paving the way for a more serene state of mind. Moreover, this state of peace can have a profound impact on your family life. As you become more relaxed and understanding, you foster better communication and stronger relationships. The Billionaire Brainwave technology harnesses theta waves to help you focus your energies. With a laser-like concentration, you become more aware of opportunities and better equipped to seize them. The enhanced creativity from theta waves can lead to an enriched life experience. As your mindset shifts towards abundance, you'll notice positive impacts in various aspects of your life. Achieving work-life balance becomes more attainable as the calming effects of theta waves help manage work-related stress and improve problem-solving abilities. While the Billionaire Brainwave technology presents some compelling benefits, we must remain realistic in our expectations. There is no guarantee of immediate wealth, and these programs rely on the belief in the law of attraction, which is not scientifically proven. In conclusion, if you're intrigued by the idea of synchronizing your brain with the rhythms of abundance, the Billionaire Brainwave program might be worth exploring. Just remember to approach it with an open mind and realistic expectations. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Billionaire Brainwave. Remember, the power to achieve success lies within you, whether it's through brain-altering technology or good old-fashioned hard work and determination. Stay tuned for more explorations into the frontiers of science and human potential. Until then, may your dreams be as vast as the universe itself. Goodbye,